Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about Eelhoe gum repair toothpaste series, cleaning and gum care gel repair and all. You can say like there are the name of the product is very big, but basically this is a gum shield product, so you should try this product or not. Okay, so basically I want to show you something. Okay, so you can see over here there are so many product available in the market with the name of Neslami. Okay, Neslami gum shield, and when you type this name you will find that there are hundreds of websites who are selling same kind of product. Okay, so you can see like there are so many websites. You can see like Go Supply, Noon and Amazon.com, and you can say like there is a one more website that is like Baby Wear, and you can see like there is also one website like Almada. So I want to tell you like only one thing, that this is not looking like a unique product. This is totally a drop shipping product, and the problem of the drop shipping product is very bad. Like you will not get any kind of results. First of all, this is the major problem. Okay, and if we talk about the another problem is like when you purchase any product on these kind of, you can say like websites, in most of the cases your money will be deducted from your account, but you will not get your product. Okay, and if you get the product and after using product you will not get any kind of benefit. So these are the two major points, or you can say like these are the two major concerns you are going to face if you are going to use this product on any website. Okay, so if we talk about like the other problem is like, you can say safety concerns. So you can see over here you have to use this product, and you can say like I want to show you something like you have to use this product like this one. Okay, so if you are going to use this product you need to insert this product in your mouth. So how you can insert anything without, you can say like safety, you can say like proofs of you can say like safety certificate and all. So there are very big issue, like you can say like you should not go, and if you are going to purchase this product you are going to face lots of issues related to your financial, related to your, you can say like health issue also. Okay, so the conclusion is this is looking like a drop shipping product, and if you really want to try, so the product is easily available on Amazon.com. You can easily purchase this product on Amazon.com, and you can see over here the ratings on the product is like very bad, not too good, and you can also see like there is one more listing, the ratings of the product is also not too good. Okay, so you can imagine the quality of the product. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and if you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.